Welcome to Phil's channel. This is Phil, and this is the episode 6 of the Math Survival Kit. Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. As we continue the Math Survival Kit, this time the second series for the Divisibility Rules. This is episode 6 of Math Survival Kit, Divisibility Rules series. Today we're going to discuss the continuation of the Divisibility Rules discussion. From our last week episodes, we discussed about the divisibility rules for 2, 3, and 6. So today we're going to continue our discussion with the divisibility rules series. So today we're going to focus on the divisibility rules for 4, 5, and 7. Welcome here in Math Survival Kit, the divisibility rules for 4, 5, and 7. Okay, let's now start with 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit is divisible by 4. So I have here examples: 151, 212, 308, 561, 220, 334, 616, and 510. So for us to determine if these numbers are divisible by 4, we need to get its last two digit. If the last two digit of this number is divisible by 4, therefore the number is divisible by 4. Let's say for example, 212. We get its last two digits, for example, 1 and 2, which is 12. And then we're going to identify if 12 is divisible by 4. Obviously, 12 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can conclude that 212 is divisible by 4. Any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit is divisible by 4. So I'll give you another 10 seconds to determine which among these numbers are divisible by 4. And your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Time is up. Okay, so let us now check if your answers are correct. So the numbers which are divisible by 4 are, of course, 212. This is our example a while ago, because the last two digit is 12, which is divisible by 4. Next is 308. The last two digit is 08, or simply 8. 8 is divisible by 4, so therefore 308 is divisible by 4. Next is 220. The last two digit of this number is 20, and 20 is divisible by 4. So therefore, 220 is divisible by 4. Next is 616. Since 16, which is its last two digit number, is divisible by 4, therefore 616 is divisible by 4. So a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit is divisible by 4. And that is the rule for the divisibility of 4. Let us now proceed with the divisibility rules for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. So the only condition is that the last digit is 0 or 5 for us to say that a number is divisible by 5. I have here examples: 100, 267, 408, 565, 450, 635, 804, and 910. So I'll give you 10 seconds again to determine which of these numbers are divisible by 5. And your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Thank you for this timer. So let us now determine which of these 8 numbers are divisible by 5. And those are 450, 100, 565, 635, and 910, because these numbers ends with 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. So let us now proceed with our third number for this episode, which is 7. To check if a number is evenly divisible by 7, we take the last digit of the number, double it, then subtract the result from the rest of the number. If the resulting number is evenly divisible by 7, so is the original number. Let's say, for example, we are given 224. So we're going to take its last digit, which is 4, and then we double it or multiply it by 2. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. After that, we're going to subtract the result, which is 8, to the remaining numbers, which is 22. So that is now 22 minus the result of multiplying the last digit by 2. So that is 22 minus 8, which is equal to 14. The result must be divisible by 7. Obviously, 14 is divisible by 7. So therefore, 224 is divisible by 7. So all you have to do is to follow the easy step in identifying or determining if a particular number is divisible by 7. Again, we take the last digit, which is 4, and then multiply it by 2 or double it, that is equal to 8, and then you're going to subtract it from the remaining number, which is 22. So that is 22 minus 8 equal to 14. And if the resulting number is divisible by 7, so we can conclude that the number or the original number is divisible by 7. That's why 224 is divisible by 7. Let's take another example. In this example, we are given 378. So again, we will take the last digit, which is 8, and then we double it or we multiply it by 2. So that is 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. And then the result, we're going to subtract it from the remaining numbers, which is 37. So that will become 37 minus 16, which is now equal to 21. And obviously 21 is divisible by 7, so therefore we can conclude that 378 is divisible by 7. Let us now determine the next example if it is divisible by 7. So we are given 579. I'll give you 10 seconds to determine whether 579 is divisible by 7 or not. And your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. So let us check if your answers are correct. So we take 9, multiply it by 2, that is equal to 18, and then we subtract the remaining number, which is 57. 57 minus 18 is equal to 39. 39 is not divisible by 7, so therefore 579 is not divisible by 7. Let's have the last example. We're given 637. I'll give you again 10 seconds to determine if 637 is divisible by 7. And your time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Thank you. So let us check now if 637 is divisible by 7. So we take 7 again and then multiply it by 2. That is 14. And then subtract 14 from the remaining number, which is 63. 63 minus 14 is equal to 49. Obviously, 49 is divisible by 7. So therefore, 637 is divisible by 7. And that's it. Again, see you on our next episode as we continue to discuss the remaining numbers for the Divisibility Rules series. This is the Math Survival Kit, saying that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So if you want to learn mathematics, start doing it. So again, this is Sir Phil. This is Sir Phil's channel. Thank you for watching. This is the Math Survival Kit.